today I'm going to do a poem for you all. It's called My Life. And I just want you all to use your imagination for a minute. The prayers as time faded away, each prayer answered in mysterious ways. This is my life in the scripture. My life. This is my life. There was blood in the air, fear in my lungs, gun after gun, aiming at one, not looking back, knowing my life is done. The story of the homicides last year, shot at with guns. This is my life in the scripture. My life. This is my life. Restless nights tumbling from left to right. Voices in my head saying tonight's the night. A knock on my door. My homie saying it's time for war. That same night my homie was found dead. He got shot at South Shore. This is my life in the scripture. My life. This is my life. Brown on my chest. I dress to impress. The first of the month is when mama get her check. But I have to get my own because daddy not home. He left my mama with 2 kids all on her own. So I please and please, there ain't no need to tease. Being disrespectful is all I see. So Mr. Disrespectful is who I choose to please. This is my life in the scripture. My life. This is my life. See, I grew up on the south side of Chicago, and this is my life. Daddy was killed when I was 6 years old, and this is my life. 7 siblings and I carried a load. This is my life. But God told me, baby, hold on, cause this is your life. So every day I have to be strong, cause this is my life. In the scripture, my life. This is my life. Thank you.